Good morning! It's another vlog and it's super early and I need my coffee, so that's why I'm talking like this. Alright, we're gonna start with the engine that runs everything. There's nothing really fancy happening today, sorry for the sound. But I wanted to talk a little bit about planning 2022 and how important those things are if you are a small business, a creator, and stuff like that. So, first, coffee. So this year started with some changes for me. I have a second Instagram channel for my professional work as a portfolio because I ended up not posting pictures that I liked because it would ruin my portfolio. So now I'm free and I can post whatever I want on my Natalie Podena channel, and then on Natalie Podena Photography there will only be my professional work. My hair is not great today. It's like doing whatever the hell it wants. And what you can see is that he is right next to me. Hello! Yeah, he's totally thrilled. Okay, so let's talk about planning a year. What does that actually mean? It doesn't mean that you have to plan out every week of the year in advance. That's crazy, don't do that. Usually what you would do for a business, for a small business or creator, it doesn't really matter what you are. You can divide the year in 4 parts. What most people do is Q1, 2, 3, and 4, and then just take some time to plan accordingly. That doesn't mean that you have to stick to that plan and don't have any room for anything spontaneous, but it gives you a brief idea. And then for the overall year, what you obviously can do is have some wishes or goals that you want to achieve, and then just keep those in mind to work every quarter of the year towards those goals. Content planning is not fun, absolutely not. And it's also not user-friendly, as I would say, because you have to sit down, come up with ideas, and maybe you don't have any good ideas at the moment, so you have to reschedule that, but keep in mind to do it. There's just so much going on. I decided to take this week and plan out my year. So I literally gave myself a whole week to plan this because I know myself. If I tell myself to do that on one specific day for the whole year, I will not do it. That's just a reality I have to face. But if you're the kind of person that can just sit down, make a content plan, and go straight, reach those goals and be done with it, congratulations, that's awesome. So on that note, as you may know when you follow this channel, I am self-employed. I'm a photographer and videographer, so I have a business to run. And I'm also here on YouTube where I post a video every week. And this is like one of my goals, is to post a video every week. The last 2 years, I did have some pauses in between because I was employed and I didn't have time because I also had to run my small business. Okay, I am complaining. So this is basically, for example, a bigger goal that I set for myself. Post a video every week. A second goal to that is, if you manage to post more, post more. Crazy, right? So that's like easy stuff to do. Same goes for my Instagram, is to keep up a routine and post constantly because the algorithms. Do I like them? No. If you are a small business or a creator that is kind of feeling like, oh my gosh, I really want to get things done this year, I highly recommend a content plan and goals for the year plus a little plan for Q1, 2, 3, 4. That doesn't have to be like, I have to do 10 things in Q1. It can be like 2 things you really want to focus on. And that mostly works better because if you make those 2 things happen, you will be overly joyed. And if you get those 2 things done and still have time, then you can do more, you know? I wouldn't like plan, okay, this is Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4, but I plan Q1, and then at the end of Q1, I will set my goals for Q2. Because maybe I sucked at Q1 and I need to, you know, reuse my goals. That can happen. So yeah, planning 2022. 8 minutes? Holy cow. You can't use 8 minutes. Time, my cats are like chilling very hard and just, you know, sleep. You can't even see him because he's so dark. You have to open your eyes, honey. Because no one can see you, because you're so dark. Yeah, it's so big, right? So big. See, he's just like, that's how you chill. When I try that, it's weird. When they do it, it's cute. Don't get me wrong, I love rain. It's super cozy when you have windows like this. Raining on the window, making this very comfy, cozy sound. But it has also been like this, for the last couple of days. And it's just constantly raining. It's not even looking great, you know? It's just like, I go outside, I'm like, ugh. I can't even do a POV or something because it's just muddy and wet. And so exhausting. So I'm hoping that this month will pass quite quickly. Don't like it. Really don't like it. I should probably complain more about the weather because like literally 30 minutes later the sun came out and it's obviously overexposed, but like seriously, it's sunny outside and stuff, so no rain. It's really cool. Maybe I should go outside. Okay, literally, I just said maybe I should go outside and it starts hailing. So maybe the weather is like, yeah, I can give you sunshine, but if you dare to go outside, I will make it hail. Can you just like kind of detect that I vlog and I'm still not really sure how to do this because I think showing just what I do the whole day, which is, by the way, just sitting on my computer or on my iPad and working, isn't so much fun. So I'm trying to entertain you. I hope it works. Usually I don't show those parts of my life because this channel is mostly about photography and videography. But I am studying Japanese, and the reason for that has to do with entertainment because I really want to watch animes without any subtitles. Yeah, because it's totally easier to learn a whole new language than reading subtitles, right? Yeah. That's the logic. But to be fair, I'm also into Japanese culture, and one of my biggest dreams is to go to Japan someday. But with the things going on in this world right now, who knows when that will be possible. Hopefully sooner than later. But yeah, that's I kind of showed you now, so you know. So if you are currently studying Japanese as well, or you have some tips, let me know. I could really use a study buddy because I don't know anyone else who's doing this. So mostly spending my time with TikTok, you know, because there are Japanese clips on there, and then books, and trying to like write it because I feel when I write it, I remember it better, you know, visual person. Small weather update. I know this vlog is mostly about the weather, but it's actually dry outside, and since my better half and I are always taking a walk, I feel like we can do that today. And I will take you with me for sure. Alright peeps, it's pretty cold here. We're doing our round that we continue to do in 2022. And this is the end of this vlog because I have no daylight or any kind of light source to continue vlogging, so I'm turning. So subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment about anything if you like, and I'll see you in the next one.